Hey guys, what's up? My name is Amit and welcome back to my channel Code Micro. Today in this video we are going to talk about the filter. We are going to talk about the indexing provided by the Firebase. So in earlier time, we know that whenever we use a stream builder and inside that there is a stream where we use a snapshot. Okay. So suppose you are you are making a chat application, and in chat application you have to show your chat in ascending or descending or whatever you want. Okay, there you have to do like this: order by date is descending, true or false. Okay, so and at that time in a layer you there will be multiple conditions which you have to follow to show your data, but in Firebase that time Firebase doesn't provide that, so you have to do some condition by your end at the front end. Okay, that will make your code look like little bit complex, or little bit doesn't feel like it doesn't look like a clean code. Okay, but now Firebase provide a best and simple method to do that. Okay, so here you can see I do that like this. Okay, and it give me, here you can see in the console that the stage failed, this one. Okay, you just need to click on it, copy, and just you have to go like this. This is my already I added the indexing. Just go here and make sure that you are using the same email of Firebase which you are using in a project. Okay, or you just click on it. Just if you click on it, sorry, here in my page it will open the Safari, but I want in a Chrome, so I just copy the link and just paste it there. So oh sorry, yeah, maybe some, okay, I copied a half. Yeah, copy and just paste it out. So my email which I connected with the my project, and here I open is same. So here you can see create or update the indexing. Okay, it gave me the indexing so that I can add it here, and it will run very smoothly, very smoothly. Okay, so here is a date or name. I set a date, ascending, need creation. Okay, just save it. Now it's building here, and there is also this thing which I use here, and it will, once it added here, it will work smoothly. You don't need to do anything. Okay, or I also implement that in my filter part. Suppose you have a chatting, descendant, unread, read, and favorite, and that will also work here like this very smoothly. Here you can see it last message time, unread, everything. It's working very fine. Okay, thank you so much for watching this. If you like the video, if you learn anything from the video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.